Hello there. My name is Rajendra Jain. I am a verbal communication coach and expert. And today's video, we are going to discuss the third aspect that I was talking to you about in making your communication more powerful, and you learn communication or public speaking subconsciously. You need to make things happen. And today's topic is about firmness of your feet. Now, I just want to ask you people, how many of you gone through, something like this where you were supposed to speak and when you went on stage, your legs started shaking. You can actually feel your legs vibrating, yeah? Happened to you? Well, it happens to everybody. It has happened to me. This happens to everybody. So today's video is all about how to have your feet firmly, how to put in practice that without you coming to know or without you putting your feet grounded, it automatically happens despite all the disturbances around. Let me tell you, when you are speaking to the audience and if you happen to be nervous, the easiest way, the first thing which audience come to know, is through your legs when they shake. And that is why keeping your leg firms become very, very important. And today's video is all about that. So are you ready? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to teach you an exercise which is going to help you subconsciously keep your leg grounded. Do you think this is powerful? Yeah, it is, right? Thank you. And I'm sure you want to learn this. And this is a little crazy stuff. So my recommendation to you is, please do it in your house. Do not do it outside. If you do it outside, people will think you are mad. Yeah, people will think that way. So, because this is a crazy stuff, I am also known as a crazy teenage coach. So that is why my stuff are crazy but result oriented. I will show you result. Okay. Within 1 week of practice, you will be able to automatically master, how to keep your feet grounded. Mind you, this is very, very crucial, very, very important. So, are you ready to get in? Okay. Now, what is this exercise? Okay. What you need to do is, at home or perhaps if you want in your room, take your favorite music, okay, favorite song and play it in your room. Your favorite song, whichever is your favorite song, whichever language, okay, it is a disco, it is slow, whichever is your song, your favorite song, get that song, play it on, okay, switch it on, switch the music, play your favorite song, that song which makes you feel like dancing. Important here is, it should be your favorite song, listening to which you want to dance actually. That should be the song. And now comes the crazy part. Now what is this crazy part? Stand firmly on your feet. If you can put the camera a little on my feet. Yeah, please bring the camera to my feet. Okay. If you see, this has to be firmly, the feet has to be firmly standing. Maybe general rule is 18 inches apart, that is 1.5 feet apart. I leave it to your discretion, to your judgment, to your understanding, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Okay, just look at it, the way I am standing, I am comfortable. Wherever I put my hand, I am firm. So this is the test. You stand firmly so that you don't fall down. Yeah. Then what do? As the music is on, you need to dance on the song which is playing, your favorite song. The only rule here is, you will not move your feet even an inch. You will not move your feet even in centimeter. Your feet will be grounded. Your body above your feet, your knees, your hip, your upper shoulders, your arms, or your head, your neck. Let them move like mad. Okay. Okay. Let them move. Dance. Dun 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 dun. If you can focus the camera on my feet, please. On my feet, please. If you observe, I am dancing, but I am not moving my feet. Oh, yeah. Whatever you do, absolutely okay. Don't move your feet. Calm down. Okay. You can do this for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Important point is, keep changing the song. But this exercise, the only thing which doesn't change is the position of your feet. Rest everything changes. Your hair goes haywire, all that is permitted. Your feet has to be grounded. In fact, anybody, I would suggest do it with your family members, where people are roaming around you, coming across you. That's even more fun. It's a little more harsh on you, it will be harsh on you, but you can make it as a fun, in fact as a family activity, where you play the song. It could be a game. Now who moves the feet first is out. Something like that, crazy stuff. The whole idea is don't move your feet, keep your feet grounded. As crazy as it sounds, what will happen is, within 7 practices, not even 7 days, within 7 practices, what you will realize that you have learned the art of grounding your feet, no matter how much of disturbance happening, whether internal disturbance or external disturbance. Important is grounding your feet. It will not only give you firmness in your feet, it will increase your confidence. And I'm telling you, it will give you that sturdiness which is required for an international trainer. Well, this is it for today's in terms of grounding your feet. I hope this was useful to you. This is Rajendra Jain, international coach and verbal communication expert, signing off for now. See you in the next video. All the best.